Let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream. And that you could, for example, have the power within one night to dream 75 years of time, or any length of time you wanted to have. And you would naturally, as you began on this adventure of dreams, you would fulfill all your wishes. You would have every kind of pleasure. And after several nights of 75 years of total pleasure each, you would say, well, that was pretty great. But now let's have a surprise. Let's have a dream which isn't under control, where something is going to happen to me that I don't know what it's going to be. That was a close shave, wasn't it? Then you would get more and more adventurous, and you would make further and further out gambles as to what you would dream. And finally, you would dream where you are now. You would dream the dream of living the life that you are actually living today. That would be within the infinite multiplicity of choices you would have.
gonna give it back to you. You're never 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 gonna give it back to you. Today's gonna be the day that they're gonna give it back to you. By now you should somehow realize what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about now. Backbeat doings on the street, you got the fire in your eyes out. You're never gonna give it back to you. And I'm sure you've heard it all before, you never really had them down. You're never gonna give it back to you. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Said maybe your girl can be the one that saves me. And after you're my one. Never gonna give it back to you. 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 Today was gonna be the day they'll never bring it back to you. By now you should have somehow realized what you gotta do. I don't believe that anybody feels the way I do about you now. Never gonna give it back to you. Said maybe you're gonna be the one that saves me.
You're on a plane to Tokyo, to LA and to places I don't know. And every time you're leaving home, I hate it, but I know it's not for long. When you travel down the coast, when you look across the shore, when you hear the ocean roar, I'm waiting for your call. When you make it to the island, sand beneath your feet, when I look at the horizon, well, you think of me. You are a traveler. My bed feels cold, oh, when you're gone. You are a traveler. You know that I love you when I let you go. You're taking off to Mexico, to Paris, and I know you long for more. I'm waiting for you all that long. I wanna see the pictures on your phone. The sun goes down and the sun comes up. I wake up slow, I wonder where you've gone. You left the ground, oh, a while ago. I'm losing every sense of time. You are a traveler. My bed feels cold, oh, when you're gone. You are a traveler. You know that I love you when I let you go. I wanna feel the warmth of your skin. All I want is you here with me. Don't wanna fall asleep on my own. My bed feels cold, oh, when you're gone. You are a traveler.